Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Interstate Youth Exchange Program kabasan sngi blalong na duo ka khat khandai hadu ka apply direk rampang arjar arpun riu youth hostel Shillong kalalong ka job ka jingpin kot ya ka mda sngi kablashim benta lai phu nyungot ki Samla na Mizoram bukanthop apasangot ki kinthai bat khat lai ngot ki shinrang ya kani ka program la panyaj daga mai Bharat Shillong Meghalaya Muyas Ringkat ke Jingkershan Baratba na ke Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jila ke belapun kut mentang sengi da ke program ai khusnam hak belasam ki sernot ban ki momento shekinong shimbenta hapo kini ki san sengi kinong shimbenta ki da yo bantip ni ke Kolshor ke Jat Ketien ke Bam Kadi ke Riti Dostor bat ke history ke Bariuspa Lingba ki Jingtip bala ai de ki resource person bat ki lalit jungoru iki jaka bapaunam bat ki jaka bakongsan Hashilong bat ki thain bamarjan Kajingtmu juga ni program kalong ban penyesriam bat penjanai kajingtip ke bakhambnya hapding ki Samla jong ki artli ki jila ban penskhamya kajingtli hagari bat hadian kani kindon kumba life nyongot ki Samla na Meghalaya ki ban sedet jongok pat ya ke Mizoram ha ubnai leber ya kani ki Interstate Youth Exchange Program la pli youth hostel Shillong hakar arpauterik rempang arjar arpun rio hakabau Didi Shira MCS Director Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jila Ulalong Ukongsan, Lieutenant Colonel Sorab Chaudhry SM58 GTC Happy Valley Shillong kumusembut Kongsan, Uba F Nongrum State Nodal Officer, Uba Bobby Walang State Youth Officer Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Bat Wagwil Ahmed First Officer 2nd Battalion NCC Shillong kumkinong Shakhot Sngobha, Lembat Uba D Rapsang Retired Deputy Director NYKS Meghalaya, U Dipankar Nandi Education Counselor, NCERT Shillong, Baru Michael Teammate, DD My Bharat Shillong.
One I'll call upon on stage Ruthie. I'll call on stage Lal Samla. I'll call on stage Lal
Everyone say play.
As we entered the Shillong, it became even more bigger than I thought. And for me, the experience that I really enjoy is the national, the cave that we go and the visiting we have in the Shillongs and part of the Cherrapunchi. Words Lake and oh yes, the Don Bosco Museum. Everything was very interesting for me. The cultural exchanges happens through that because as we all know, we cannot have actual exchange. And for me, that is the museum is the most interesting part of this program. And
sure. Every single one of us, we all know each other, so we know that it's our first time, and we had such a good experience thanks to every single one of the organizing staff and my Bharat staff. Even the cooks, they made really delicious food. We're really thankful for taking our daily food into the industry. We also visited really lovely places, and my friends already talked about it, so I would rather not go into details about them. But each one of us had a lot of fun, so we were really thankful for that too. And I think the standout for me during this trip was the hospitality and the lovely staff that guided us through everything and who kept us company.
I'll take myself in the days of the inaugural program. I've said it, then we just repeated it. Then we are really mesmerized and fascinated by all the beautiful landscape To be honest, it really crossed our assumption. From far away place, from the hilly areas of Mizoram, no. We know that Ceylon is a chilly areas, and the people are so nice. There are a lot of castes. That is our assumption. Okay, but when we experiencing the reality is much a big different. Okay, and they really fascinate us. And it's really interesting for all of us. And I hope it will really help in our studies, even in our studies. Like Sir Michael had informed me that some stones, the formations of the stones in the Mosmai cave, really interesting as I'm a student of history. And I know that there are also some students of history, and especially for the students of geography, that will really help you in your studies. And in the inaugural program, I forgot to say that, but I consider this is really important. Okay, I want you to try the local foods. Okay, then I want you, if we have any opportunity or are we given any chance, I want you to buy some local products which are made in this Meghalaya, okay, which are not available in the Mizoram. So,
for a change, the contingent has come mostly from Jingtip, right? So now what I have realized on my interactions with everywhere that I have studied is that like Mizoram is not that good in English, but you guys are totally operating. So in a way, Jingtip people are the smartest and the most educated in the entire Mizoram, I think. And that we hopefully will take the learnings of, not just about Meghalaya, but about unity, which our Sir had spoken about, and then about the yoga and the healthy living in the age of AI, in the age of smartphones, which was taken by the bunker Sir, as well as the how to be employable, which is taken by our Madam Warjari from Mati. I hope you guys will take that into account, and then we'll take a learning to be employable, as well as whatever Bobby Sir had taught you about the land of Meghalaya, whatever the youths of Meghalaya are involved in, and then you try to implement that as well. Right? More love and more, because at the end of the day, interaction, the whole purpose of this exchange program is so that we can get to know about them. When you get to know a person, then you get to love them more, you get to interact with them more, you have sympathy, like empathy more. No, if you just hear about them, then you don't know much. But if you get to know more, so try to get to know more, learn more, and then in your life, in your careers, always have a vision, have an ambition. I think many of our resource persons as well as our invitees on the inaugural function have spoken about it. It's very important to have goals in life. So always have goals in life. See where you are 10 years from now, like our Lieutenant Colonel had told you that day. And then, if you haven't done it yet, it's easy to say, but think properly. Maybe when you go back to your rooms when you have time, just close your eyes, see, envision yourself 10 years from now. Where do I want to be? That will save your ambition. They will guide you on what you want to be. And at the end of the day, always put God first. And then after that, have your ambition. These two things always work together. Because at the end of the day, God can do miracles. It's not just about your own hard work. Of course, like we say that success is 90% perspiration and 10% inspiration. But 10% inspiration is also very important. Because when you go for an interview, you don't know what the interviewer is going to ask you. Tick blindly. She just did blindly. Just imagine. 25 questions she attempted blindly without knowing anything. And out of it, 17 was right. And she just prayed in the exam hall and just blindly tick, and then 17 came right. So God can work wonders. Of course, God will not reward you just because you are prayerful. Okay? You have to work also. You have to work first. So in every sphere of life, hard work is important. So put in the hard work, put in the dedication, and after that, everything else will follow. That's what I would like to give advice to you guys as somebody as this. I'm like your senior brother or something. I'm not that old as you guys. So I've seen the world a bit more than you guys. So that's what, from my experience, I would like to encourage you guys. And then when you continue to go back to your home place, research more what you want to do in life, have aim, ambition. And then when you go back, try to connect with the My Mother organizations out there, the DYOs, the staff, help them out, attend program, volunteering. This is an opportunity to see things beyond beyond your college, beyond your studies, beyond your locality. Like we provide opportunity, you can be part of the NSS, volunteer for NSS. If those who have not volunteered, I would suggest please volunteer for NSS. And when you finish NSS, come and work as volunteers in Meghalaya also. Because NSS will be within your college, they'll take care of you. And once you're thorough with it, when you're outside the college, come and work with Meghalaya as a volunteer. Will give you more information, more opportunities. Alright, so with that I'd like to conclude my short speech.